Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix LCD for Huawei Nova 7i. The first thing you have to do, you have to heat the phone at least for 5 to 10 minutes so you can remove the back cover. I already hit my own, so now I need to remove it. You can use the pen set now. You just put it inside there like this. Just open it right round. Remove the back cover. Now you need to take out all the screw at the top here. Make sure you remove all the screw at the top. And you remove this cover. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the LCD. Okay, now you need to remove the battery. You take out the battery. Okay, you open this pan a bit. This plastic, open this plastic a bit. You disconnect the LCD cable, then you put at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes to remove the LCD. After you heat it for 10 to 15 minutes, now you need to open it. Okay, you start and just use the pen set. You just open it. Okay. Take out the LCD. Okay. Now you need to remove all the glue right around the phone. Make sure you clean it properly. Remove everything, all the glue, so that the new LCD can fix properly. Make sure you clean it right around. After you clean everything right around, now you need to apply the glue. Okay. You make sure you put the glue right around. Don't put on top of the camera. Okay. Make sure you put it right around the phone. Don't put on top of the camera, and don't put on top of the sensor. Just put close to the sensor. You make sure you put it right around. So after you put the glue right around, now you need to fix the new LCD. Okay, you take out the plastic in front of the camera, remove it. Okay, now you need to pass the LCD cable inside here. Make sure you pass inside like this. Then you put the LCD straight, but make sure you put it very straight like this. Okay, after you fix the LCD, you have to make sure you fix the connector perfectly here. Don't force to press it. Make sure you get the correct place before you press it down. Then you slide it inside like this. At least the battery can have a position to fix, so the battery can sit down properly. You open this plastic back. Okay, you put the plastic back like this, nice. Then you put back the battery. You make sure you fix the battery terminal first before you make the battery seat, so that the battery can have the right position. Okay. Okay. Now you need to fix the back cover, this one. You need to fix it back and put all the screw. Make sure you put all the screw at the back. After you put all the screw, okay, now it's time to fix the back cover. Okay, you have to make sure you clean all the small glue so that the back cover can fix properly. You clean all the small glue here. Okay, make sure you clean all the glue right around the phone. After clean everything, you have to put the glue right around. Make sure you don't put on top of the screw. Just put where the cover is supposed to rest. Don't put on top of the screw. Just push close to it like this. Okay. Now you need to close it. Make sure you close it straight. Okay. Then if you have a rubber, you have to put the rubber there at least for 10 to 15 minutes so that the glue become dry. Okay. This will help the cover to fix properly so that the glue becomes dry at least for 30 minutes. Now you need to on it. It's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.